Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP MV6120E. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network. What you need to do is you can use your phone to scan the QR code. So if you go to your phone, select the QR code, then you go to the printer and scan the QR code. Then you select open link. Once you select open link, then it will take you to Google Play Store for you to install HP app. So you can go to Google Play Store, install HP app, or you scan the QR code. It will still take you to Google Play Store for you to install HP app. I've already installed HP app, so I'm going to open it up. This is HP app. Then you go on top and select plus. Select plus. Set up a new printer or choose an available printer. We are setting this printer up for the first time. So select set up a new printer. Select Wi-Fi. Select continue. It will ask you to get the printer ready. Plug the printer to the power on a flat surface. Then plug on and connect the device. Select continue. Select allow. Select OK. Using this app for location, and the printer is found HP MV6100E series. Then select setup. Connecting to the printer. Connect printer to the Wi-Fi network. You select yes or no. So I'm going to select no so that I can put the password by myself. So I'm going to select no. The Wi-Fi details is found. So I'm going to put the password. I have the information for the Wi-Fi password. You get the Wi-Fi password from the back of your network router. So I'm going to put the details. Double check the information to make sure the information you put are correct. The next thing is you select continue. Printer is found. Preparing the printer. Tap the check mark, allow for the check mark. HP software is setting up your printer. Printer is prepared. It's getting the IP address. IP address received. Connection finished. Select continue. So the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. Then select continue. Processing. Then you select exit. So the printer is available HP MV 6100 series. New ink cartridges installed. With this, you can print documents, you can scan documents, and if you want to print documents, so select print documents. Select PDF. Then it will show you the document on your file. So select the document. So the document is attached, 2-page document. Select print preview. Then scroll down. We want to print orientation automatic, two-sided. Want to print this two-sided, long edge, and I want to print it in color. Then you select more option. Make sure the document is in documents and quality automatic, or you can select normal or best. It's currently in automatic. Scaling fill page. Then you go back. Then select print. This is the document we printed out, two-sided. So this is how to set this printer up, how to connect it to a wireless network and print out a document. Thank you very much indeed.